dependable Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Kashim Shettima, Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, the Deputy Chief of Staff to Mr. President, my dear brother, who has shown friendship, who has shown that it is good to be functional in any assignment that they are given. The distinguished Senator, Chairman, Senate Committee, Area Council, and Auxiliary Matter, Senator Jinkuta, the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Dr. Maya Mahmood, my brothers, former governors of Benue and Enugu State, former Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, distinguished senators here, House of Reps members here, our leaders of our parties that are here, Area Council Chairman, particularly our chief host today, the Area Council Chairman of Governor, the traditional ruler of this area, Mandate Secretary, Permanent Secretary, Head of Service, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. President, today is the 16th day that you have devoted time to personally participate in the commissioning ceremony. I never knew that people were so pained that so many things are going on very well in our city. Until last night, when I was watching politics today, I saw one of the presidential aspirants of coalition party, that the works and industrialists, so pained to the fact that they are angry that Mr. President, Mr. Vice President, the Senate President, the Speaker, the Secretary to Government of the Federation are coming to commission project. Yet they say Nigerians are angry. What are other people? Are you angry?
As he dey bend down, he go dey sing us. As he dey sing us, he go dey bend down.
Now, it is important to ask you this question. So we hear from Nigerians. What will other people? Are you angry? No! Okay. I will be in politics today by 7 o'clock. By 7 p.m., I will be there today. Now, Excellency, this is not the first road we are commissioning in Governor. When we came on board in August 2023, Your Excellency, you recall that because of the crisis then, we had to visit every area council to interact with them, and they told us what their problems were. One good thing about the projects in the rural areas, we never sat in the city and said, go and do so road. No. We came here and the people said, look, this is what we want. What we call community participation in governance. Not sitting in our offices and people coming to meet you, okay, there's one road I want you to give me to do. No. The communities decided. So we have done Wike Concord Road, 9 kilometers, and that has been commissioned. Today, the day we came here for the flag up, that was when I knew the importance of this road. Like the contractor said, everything had collapsed. I never knew that people were suffering to that level. I never asked people. They say coalition has started 18 months ago. Mr. President had been in office 2 years. So you started coalition when he was in office 6 months. 18 months ago, you started coalition. Then when you were in office for 6 months, you started coalition. When will you stop deceiving Nigerians? When will you stop deceiving somebody came into office 6 months, then you started coalition. Now the man has not performed 6 months, you started coalition. But you had opportunity to be Senate President for 8 years. You had an opportunity to be Speaker for 4 years. You had an opportunity to be Minister of Transportation for 8 years. You never made angry Nigerians to be happy. But people stayed in office for 6 months. You started telling people how Nigerians are angry. What other people, are you angry?
I guess a Wike tell me something. I guess a Wike tell me something. If I can follow Atiku, no follow corner. Yes, a Wike tell me something.
I have said, everybody show your scorecard. When I was a Senate President, let me show my scorecard. How did I help the people of Benue State? How did I help the people of Atiku? You see, by flying helicopter to Atiku. We are here. 16 days. We are showing our scorecard. This time is what it says, Operation Show Your Scorecard. God gave you opportunity to be in office to make Nigerians to be happy according to you. You refuse. Because you have left office, you are angry, you are saying Nigerians are angry. You are angry. You want to come back to power, you won't come back. You will not come back to power. So many people you boast. I was not a governor when I refused some people to bring their successor. 2015, I defeated very powerful governor who wanted his boy to be governor. I defeated him. 2019, super minister borrowing money from China bank everywhere, making us to be highly indebted. 2019, DG to Mr. President, then he couldn't get 20% from Mr. President. I defeated him. In 2023, they said they will support one man whose business has been from 1999, I'm in this party. 2006, I'm in this party. 2014, I'm in this party. 2019, I'm in the other party. Now 2025, I'm in another coalition. The boy you born coalition.
Nobody gets it more like we did. Nobody gets it more like we did.
So, Mr. President, because you are going somewhere, I wanted to turn you out today as a carnival. But another time will come. So I don't want to take much of your time. Look at how happy the people are. That's to tell you that these roads have affected their life. Each time I come here for inspection, you can see the joy in them. Are you happy? Are you happy? Do you want more things? Do you want more things? We will give you whatever you want. Let me thank the traditional ruler who has given the contractor the support to conclude this job. Let me thank the contractor. You have shown capacity. I'm happy by the policy administration of this government by making sure that we encourage our local contractors. The road that was done at Road CN8 was done by a local contractor. The Oshafa War College roads were done by a local contractor. Here today, done by a local contractor. The bus terminal, done by a local contractor. That is an administration that believes that we must empower, we must encourage our local contractors. And I thank all of you for showing us that with encouragement, you have the capacity to contribute to the development, not only in the FCT, but Nigeria in general. Mr. President, I want you to be proud. I want you to be proud because you have changed the narrative. It doesn't matter people who will never be happy. If God has given you life, He say you won't be happy. It's your business. God has done His own. So you say you won't be happy. May you never be happy. Me, I'm always happy. Seeing you alone, I'm happy. So let them not be happy. They'll face us when the time comes. When the time comes. Some people say, oh, Nigeria should come out. But the man who is saying that, I want you to lead it. You that is inciting Nigeria to revolt. I'm waiting for you in River State. You will start their affairs and you will lead it with their children. Not that their children will be in London. And then here you are saying they should come out and revolt. If you can come with your children, we will face our stress. And then we know that you really mean what you are saying. Mr. President, I invite you